Hi everyone, I'm before a long trip to Europe, and tomorrow I'm giving one lecture here, but I'll be back. And on December 2nd, I'll teach a class with which I can help you to get rid of a lot of back pain and back tension that you have through simple movement and imagery. Then I'll have class on the 14th of December, a good time before a lot of holiday shopping to get rid of stress and to improve your vision. And those of you who have a New Year resolution, on January, we will work to improve our vision again in East-West Bookshop in Mountain View. And on February, we have the big workshop here that is big every single year. And people come to it from all over the world, so why not come from our Bay Area? And this is the Natural Vision Improvement class. It's a 6-day class. If you seek medical help, don't come to me because I'm not a medical doctor. Although often I refer people to medical doctors, and some medical doctors are my students. And they swear by my work. If you seek a new training for yourself, then come to all of my classes, including the Natural Vision Improvement class. Let me show you an example. I'm putting my glasses on, so my weaker eye will start to work. And I'm looking at the chart, and I'm thinking about throwing the ball at the chart, and I'm reading the chart with my weaker eye, then I throw the ball. So my lens expands when the ball is farther from me, and my lens constricts when it comes close to me. And now I'm taking my glasses off, and everything on the chart becomes much clearer because both eyes for this second are working together. Grateful, everyone. Meir.